Shaini Nirmala, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Ratnam College of Arts and Science. I am going to deliver a lecture on the topic performance appraisal. So first let's see what is performance appraisal. Appraisal is nothing but evaluation. So performance appraisal is nothing but regular review of employees' job performance. So let's see methods of performance appraisal. So there are two methods of performance appraisal. One is traditional method and another one is modern method. So under traditional method we have few categories. First one is unstructured method, ranking method, paired comparison method, man-to-man comparison method, grading method, critical incident method, essay method, field review method. Under modern method there are few categories: management by objectives, behavioral anchored rating scale, assessment center, human resource accounting, 360-degree feedback system. So let's see all these types in detail. So first is unstructured method. This is the simple method of performance appraisal. It is highly subjective in nature. Under this method, appraiser has to describe his impression about the employee under appraisal in an unstructured manner. So here the appraiser has to pass his judgment on the employee, whether he has leadership qualities or not, whether he is eligible or not. So you have to pass judgment on the employee. The next one is ranking method. It is the oldest and simplest formal systematic method of performance appraisal, in which employee is compared with all other employees for the purpose of placing order of the worth. The employees are ranked from the highest to the lowest or from the best to worst. So ranking method is simplest method. We used to follow in schools also. We used to have ranking systems. The student who performs well will be given first rank. Similarly, the students who perform worst will be given last rank. Same will be followed in organization. Employees who perform good will be given first rank, and employee who performance is poor will be given last rank. Next method is paired comparison method. In this method, each employee is compared with other employees on one-on-one basis, usually based on one trait only. So, paired comparison method. As the name suggests, pair means two or more persons. So, here one department will be compared with another department when there are a lot of department in the organization. Grading method. Employee performance is compared with the grade definitions. The employee is then allocated to the grade that best describes his or her performance. So under grading method, this method is also being followed in schools, where O grade will be given for the students who performs excellent, A grade is given for student who perform very good, and similarly F grade will be given for the students who perform worst. Same the grading method is also being followed in organizations as well. So the next method is critical incident method. In this method, the rater focuses his or her attention on those key or critical behaviors that make the difference between the performing a job in a noteworthy manner effectively or ineffectively. So critical incident method. For example, if there is a quarrel between two employees, so how the employee handles that situation, accordingly his performance will be evaluated. The next method is essay method. Essay method is the simplest one among various appraisal methods available. In this method, the rater writes and narrates description on an employee's strength, weakness, past performance, potential and suggestion for improvement. Its positive point is that it is simple in use. So in essay method, we used to write essays in school for English comprehension. Same here, the appraiser used to write everything about the employee, his strength, weakness and everything will be written in an essay format. Field review method. When there is a reason to suspect rater's biasness or his or her rating appears to be quite higher than others, these are neutralized with the help of a review process. The next one is modern method. So under modern method, the first category is management by objective. This method focuses on improving the organization's performance by defining clear objectives both agreed by employees and the manager. So every organization will have an objective. Here the objective will be given to the employees and it will be agreed by both the employee as well as the managers. The next method is behaviorally anchored rating scales. behaviorally anchored rating scales are designed to bring the benefits of both qualitative and quantitative data of the employee's appraisal process. Here both the qualitative and quantitative data of the employee process will be brought to the consideration. Thank you so much.